Well, it's about negative 20 degrees outside, and what do you do on the farm in the middle of winter at negative 20 degrees other than break ice out of waters and feed your animals and try to survive? Well, you take a small 3-pound brisket, you put a light mustard coating on it with some salt, pepper, and a little bit of celery salt, and heck, you hit the smoker. I don't care how cold it is, you light the sucker up and you get out there and get your dinner made. Started this maybe about 7 hours ago. And it's a small brisket, so it won't take us too long. Dug the thing out of the snow a little bit, got the door opened up, and got it fired up for about a half hour before I put it in, and decided to go with 190 degrees for about 5 hours, and then kick it up to about 260, 275 degrees, and see if I could finish it for the last hour and a half. And I tell you, when I first started, the sun was out, and things were looking pretty good in the morning. And then by the time afternoon came, the wind picked up a little bit. But we added some potatoes into it and started to make our dinner, and I did end up, once it's stalled at 165, throwing it into a foil boat. I've never done that before, but I was following the advice of one of my relatives to see if it would, keep its flavor and juice more, because when it's only a 3-pounder, I was worried it would dry out through the process of smoking it. Overall, I let it rest for about 45 minutes in a nice warm oven, and I think we did actually really pretty good. For a piece of meat that is thin and small like this, it turned out looking really great, folks. So if you get a chance, even if it's cold, get out and smoke some brisket.